boys and girls, happy Friday. Good job on a week of online learning. Today we're going to start with rhyming. Our rhyme is ack. Can you say ack? Great, ack. Ack like back. Say back. Track. Black. Sack. Pack. Rack. Let's try that one more time. Ack, like back, track, black, sack, pack, rack. Nice job, boys and girls. In our next activity, we're going to practice finding the beginning sound. Bench, bench. Does it have the same beginning sound as a give or bowl? Bowl. Bowl and bench both have a b. Team. Team. Does it have the same beginning sound as turn or dime? Turn. Turn and team both have a t. Week. Say week. Does week have the same beginning sound as world or table? World. Week and world both have a w sound. Itchy. Say itchy. Does itchy have the same beginning sound as add or igloo? Igloo. Itchy and igloo both have a I sound. Hook. Say hook. Does hook have the same beginning sound as him or left? Him. Him and hook both have a h sound. In our next activity, we're going to take out our choppers. We're going to chop the beginning sound. We're going to chop the rhyme, and then we're going to blend them together to put the word back together. Let's start. Pig. Say pig. P. Ig. Pig. Do it again. P. Ig. Pig. Rock. Say rock. R. Ock. Rock. One more time. R. Ock. Rock. Cave. Say cave. K. Ave. Cave. One more time. K. Ave. Cave. Nap. Say nap. App. Nap. One more time. App. Nap. Mess. Say mess. S. Mess. One more time. S. Mess. And the last one, beak. Say beak. B. Eek. Beak. One more time. B. Eek. Beak. Great job. Our next activity, we're going to punch out that ending sound. So we're going to repeat the word and then we're going to punch out the ending sound. Dress. Say dress. Dress. S. Do it again. Dress. S. Smile. Say smile. Smile. Ooh. Do it again. Smile. Ooh. Dove. Say dove. Dove. V. Do it again. Dove. V. Hope. Say hope. Hope. P. One more time. Hope. P. And the last one, breeze. Say breeze. Breeze. Z. Do it again. Breeze. Z. Good job, boys. In our next activity, we're going to practice taking the rhyme, the ending part, adding a beginning sound, and making a new word. So our rhyme today is ed. Say ed. E-D, ed. Ed, b, bed. Do it again. Ed, B, bed. Ed, fed. Do it again. Ed, fed. Ed, led. Do it again. Ed, led. Ed, red. Do it again. Ed, red. And the last one, Ed, Ted. Do it again. Ed, Ted. Good job, boys and girls. Today, when we practice our large sound cards, we're only going to do the vowels. First, we're going to do the letter, the picture, and the sound. Remember, these are vowels. That's why they're pink. A, apple, A. Do it again. A, apple, A. E, ed, E. Do it again. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. Do it again. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. Do it again. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Do it again. U, up, Good job practicing your vowels and your sounds today. Today we're going to practice Humpty Dumpty, and my daughter Emma, she's going to practice with us. Say hi, Emma. Okay, ready? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Let's do that one more time, and do it with me, boys and girls. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Bye, girls and boys. Have a great weekend.